So up for review today are these solar wall lights. They're by Jyoiat, Jyoiat. They're off Amazon. Here's pretty much what it looks like when you open the box. These could be packed a lot better, and the cardboard is very thin. But I mean, they made it all the way to my house in one piece, so can't say too much. Um, right away, I like the idea and the design, right? Uh, it would be cool to get something identical to this, but like maybe a little bit more expensive and high quality. Um, like if it had a metal frame and real glass, I think that would be great. This is plastic. These bulbs, I mean, they're all the common now, and they all work good. And there's nothing really to be said about that. And they could probably put a better panel on one, and I think there would be a market for that. Now, a product could already exist like this, but these are the ones I picked up. And here we go. Yeah, you have to cover the panel so it thinks it's nighttime. Now, it's got different modes and brightnesses, and it has a motion activation. I've had pretty good luck with the ones that have these really skinny long LEDs in them as far as being bright and staying on all day. I mean all night. And usually when I'm leaving in the morning, very early dawn hours, they're still going. So uh, I don't anticipate having any issues with that. I'm gonna look on Amazon, see what the current price is going. So I paid $28, and currently they're still same price. So here's what we have here. And my idea is kind of, I would be using this outside on a deck. These would be on 4x4 posts mounted right where the steps are. So there's two different steps going out, and I would put these where the steps are. Now, speaking of, I don't. Here we go. I was about to say I didn't see any documentation. Of course, it comes with these flimsy screw things that they always do. Very tiny and simple instructions. Long press for 1 second to enter mode. Basically, motion. And then pattern 2 is motion plus slight light mode, so it would be on all the time, and then when someone comes by it gets brighter. I like that one. 3 is slight light, so it stays low all the time. Now what it doesn't say, it says long press for 1 second to enter mode. I guess it means you long press each time you want to change the mode. 1 1. Not sure that did anything. I might have turned it off. 1. Here we go. So that was kind of, so here's the auto time low, here's the bright, and here is the motion activated brightness. So they work. It's a little bit finicky, but they work. Yeah, I think I could recommend these for the price and what they are. I wouldn't expect them to last more than 3 years or so. These panels tend to degrade pretty quickly. They get sun bleached and they start fogging up, and then the efficiency of the panel drops, and then eventually they just stop working. But they're okay. I mean, there's a lot of options out there these days, so you can shop around. I think for the price and the way the current market is, they're fine. But you could easily pay $10-20 for one single light in the store, and you're getting 4 of these for under 30. Yeah,